Hello friends, looking or perhaps interested in buying a JDM car? Stay tuned to know more. Welcome to the channel guys. Today we're going to be talking about the process of buying a JDM car from Japan. First of all, you're buying a car from a different country. So you need to prepare yourself mentally that things aren't going to be going 100% your way. But I promise you guys, if you stay and listen to my video, I can assure you if you copy the method I used to order my JDM car from Japan, that you'll be close to that 100%. When buying a car from a different country, either from Japan or the UK, you need to plan, you need to organize, and the most important thing, you need to do research on what kind of car you're going to be buying.
There are 4 options you can use to purchase a car from Japan. First, we have Velocity Cars, a company that sells second-hand JDM cars that are ready to be registered, meaning they have passed safety. They have many options on their lot for people to check out. So if you want to skip the hassle of the whole importing process, it's the best way to go. Second option would be going through brokers like B-Pro Auto or JDM Connection. I personally went with B-Pro Auto. Let me tell you guys that Brian from B-Pro Auto is absolutely amazing. He made my process so easy that I promised him that my second import I would be going through him again. To be honest with you guys, I had zero headache through the entire process. 5 simple steps when going through a broker. Number 1. Contact the company to let them know what kind of car you'd like. 2. Browse the auction sites to see cars, and once you find something you like, let them know so they can send you information about the car. 3. Once you find something you want, get that 1K deposit in. This will cover car costs and ocean shipping costs. 4. Once the car arrives at Vancouver Port, custom is paid, pick the car up there, or you can request further shipping throughout Canada. And last, register your car after completing the safety inspection depending where you live. So now for the last option, we have Trade Car View, where you are in contact directly with people from Japan. So that means dealerships or even maybe private sales too. So you will mainly be doing all the heavy lifting by yourself compared to the first and third and second option. Alright guys, let's answer some questions you guys might have. I got used to the right hand drive steering wheel indicator and shifting within the first hour of driving. That said, if you are worried about it, feel free to come down here and drive mine. Many models of cars are also available in Canada or the US. For example, most parts from a Canadian MR2 will fit on a JDM MR2. But for myself, I'd rather get my parts from Japan and get the overnight parts shipped from Japan. Plus it adds to the JDM-ness of my baby. Besides the Japanese version being right-hand drive, it may have been available with options never offered in Canada or US or vice versa. For example, my JDM Toyota MRS comes with a different front bumper than the USDM models. So why JDM guys? Why would an individual go through the process of buying a car from Japan? Vehicles from Japan are generally less expensive and higher quality when compared to vehicles from other countries. Why are Japanese vehicles in better condition? You will find Japanese vehicles have lower kilometers, cleaner bodies, are maintained better, and are in better overall condition. Japanese specifications on many models is higher than the world market versions of these vehicles. You can often find higher power, lighter weight, stiffer suspension, and more optional equipment. And last and not least, the uniqueness of owning a JDM car compared to everyone driving a USDM version of the real thing just adds more value to what you own.
Guys, let me know in the comments below what kind of car you're thinking of importing. Whether it's a Toyota MR2 Spider, aka an MRS, or a Ferrari, or a Porsche, or maybe even a Honda NSX. Let me know in the comments below what car you guys are thinking of importing. I hope my video was pretty informative for everyone that's thinking of buying a JDM car. So the things you guys want to remember: do information on what vehicle you're getting, the pros and the cons of the vehicle. Make sure that you have someone that can help you in case something goes wrong. And make sure that wherever you're buying something, that it's safe and that you have heard someone else go through that person. For myself personally, I went through a broker with B Pro Auto, so I'm confident you guys are going to make a good choice. I hope this video was helpful for everyone. And as always guys, remember, in speed we trust.
We about to turn it on. Turn it